Welcome to the AgroGlide Program Setup Guide. This video will walk you through the basic steps for setting up a program in the cloud sprinkler. To begin, tap on the Program menu at the bottom of the screen. Here you can select the program you want to set up or update. Each program operates independently based on its own settings, allowing you to allocate different programs for various automation needs with ease. Program setup is divided into three main sections: basic settings, start times and day selection, and zone water setup. The first option under basic settings is pump settings. The Cloud Sprinkler CS10 model supports 2 pump options, while the Cloud Sprinkler CS100 supports up to 6 pumps. Multiple pump options are convenient if you want to use different water sources, such as bore water in some areas and clean council water in others. Next, select the watering option. You can choose between time-based watering or volumetric watering for a more precise amount of water delivered to your plants. The volumetric option uses water meter pulses, and the meter number is automatically selected based on your pump configuration. Then move on to the program run type. The normal run option executes the program once, running all selected zones before stopping. The cyclic run option repeats the same program multiple times with a set delay between runs. This is particularly useful for sloped landscapes, as it allows the soil to absorb water gradually in smaller amounts instead of receiving the full amount at once, which can cause runoff. You can adjust the number of repeat cycles and the delay before restarting. To set the time, tap on the time field. Here, you can select the hour, minutes, and seconds. The scroll bar is used to increase or decrease the values. The next option is auto weather. This feature helps save water by adjusting irrigation based on weather history and forecasts. You can configure the weather settings in the weather menu, and enable or disable weather-based water savings for each program as needed. After this, proceed to set the start times and operating days. The Cloud Sprinkler supports up to 4 start times per program. Tap on a start time to configure it. Here you can set the on or off status for that particular start time. You can select the hour, minutes, and seconds here. The scroll bar below can be used to adjust the values up or down. You can select AM or PM here. Tap here to set values. Next, configure the master day option. The program will only run on the days you select here. You can also choose to run the program on odd days or even days. For example, if you select odd days and also define specific master days, the program will run on all odd days except the ones you have unselected. Next, add zone to program. To add zones to your program, tap the plus button and choose the zones you want to include. Only unassigned zones will appear in the list. Each zone automatically inherits its default runtime based on the zone's setup. For more information, refer to the zone setup video in this playlist. You can edit the runtimes by tapping on the time field. Here, you can select the hour, minute, or second and adjust its value up or down using the scroll bar. The total runtime is displayed here and is calculated based on 100% runtime. This total will change automatically depending on weather, seasonal, or sensor-based percentage adjustments. To remove a zone, simply tap the delete button. Once everything is configured, tap the Save button to store your program. This step is very important. Your settings will only be saved to the Cloud Sprinkler when you press Save. If you exit without saving, your changes will be lost. Thanks for watching.